Alright, Gary?
Oh, yeah, I'm alright, mate, but
You tired?
just a bit cold, mate. You know how it gets in the winter time here. My eyes get ruined by this country, but...
It's Swedish winter. But today, my friend...
Yeah. You got something on it, yeah?
A little bit of a surprise for you, yeah. Today we're going to go out in the Swedish great outdoors. We're going to have a little bit of a drive in a little bit of a different car. It's, you know, it's a little bit more modern. It's a little bit more usable.
Sounds more up my street. Alright.
And it's rare. Really rare. Really,
vehicle.
really rare.
Sean, rear modern. I don't know if that goes together really, but alright.
Just trust me. But there's only one thing. There's only one thing you have to do.
Go on then.
And that is, I have to blindfold you.
Blindfold me.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I trust you being blindfolded. You know what I mean? Seriously, mate.
I guarantee you will be surprised and you'll be enjoying this. It could be something for you and the family.
I don't know, mate. I was surprised in the beginning, the blindfolding bit. Ooh, I'm a little bit worried. I'm going to be honest with you, mate.
This could revolutionise your life. This is the perfect family car for you.
All right. Now it sounds interesting.
Exactly.
All right.
Classic, cool, outdoory.
Okay.
You're going to love it.
Tremendous.
Just trust me.
All right then. All right, let's get going then, mate.
Do it. Gary, get yourself down here.
Okay then. Let's see what he's got down here then.
Right
then, where is it then, mate?
What I've got behind this door is going to revolutionise your life. So all we need to do now is just to get you blindfolded, mate.
Blindfolded. This is a bit I won't enjoy, mate.
You'll love it. Trust me. Okay, over the blindfold. All right, Gary.
I'm not enjoying this, mate.
Trust me. This is going to be perfect. You're going to absolutely love this.
Famous last words.
You're going to love this.
Trust me. Oh my God.
You're going to absolutely love it. There's the door open, mate. Okay. down your head there. Yeah. You can see the seat.
Nice seats. Nice seats.
Yeah. I told you, I'm not going to get your head in. Get your head in there. Get your head in there. Get your legs in. Right, there we go. Feels nice, doesn't it?
Comfy.
Yeah. Okay. I'll be back in a minute.
What is this?
Is it going? Have a quick look now. Look, it's a Saab.
It's a Saab 900, mate.
Yeah, and guess what I bought? Just for a little adventure, I bought my sleeping bag.
Now I'm worried, mate.
I got my sleeping bag.
Now I'm worried. I have to drive it as well.
That's not often I'm on this side. So welcome to a Saab 900 from '89.
Okay.
So let's go on a little adventure, mate.
I'm still confused, mate, because I don't know what's so special about this Saab.
This is a Swedish power.
It's not even a turbo, is it?
Nope, it's not a turbo. It's a standard, but in extremely good condition.
I must say that it's in really good nick.
And it's only got 11,000 miles, which is, what is it, 112,000 kilometres. It's like new, mate.
Wow. I mean, I do get that actually. So that's definitely one up there for its its nudum. Right, let's see how this puppy drives then, eh? First gear.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
Quite easy with the clutches.
Yeah, it's not bad. Put your seatbelt on though. Do they work in these things though?
Of course, it's a Saab.
No, but seriously though.
Are you ready for this little adventure? You might feel like it's a bit darker in this car.
A little bit, mate, but it's old, isn't it?
Do you notice anything on the roof?
Yeah, what the hell's that?
That is, I could say it's like Sweden's biggest ski box.
Yeah. Are we going skiing?
No, we're going to take for a little adventure, mate. We're going to go down to the lake and have a little bit of some camping.
All right, camping. All right.
That's why I bought my sleeping bag, mate.
I'm still worried about that. Where are we going, left or right?
Just keep going straight.
Alright. It's got some poke though for an old thing.
Yeah.
What year did you say this was?
89.
Alright.
The guy who owns it, he's like a Saab enthusiast, so he's kept the servicing up to date. He's done all the things, changed the radiator. Car's perfect.
Yeah, it looks like it's never been driven, mate.
I mean, 112,000 kilometres.
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Wow, yeah. No, it's in good nick. I'll give it that. Drive's really nice as well.
Can you see anything out the back window? Out the back mirror?
Yeah, about. Now that's a bit weird, isn't it? What the hell is that? Is that straight out? I didn't even notice, mate. That's mental. What's that?
This is your surprise. This is your new. This is your new car for the family. 4 passengers and a little bit extra. And it's going to be like revolutionary.
Hey, man, is this? What the hell is that?
Just put it down here. We're going out to the lake. Quick. Don't trip me.
No, that's mental, man.
This will be your first time into being in the classic car world.
Is that right? All right. I've genuinely have no idea what's going on there. And we've got a roadblock there, haven't we?
We can't go there. Why is there a roadblock there? Okay. We park here. This is okay.
Alright, parking here, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright. We go out and see what the hell is going on back there then, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna put it there.
Alright. Welcome to your future, mate.
Alright, the future. There we go. Alright. Let's see what's going on out here then. Oh mate. That is properly nuts.
Gary, we're going camping, mate. We're going camping. Brought your sleeping bag.
What is that?
It's a Saab camper.
A Saab camper? Is that a thing? I mean, does that actually exist?
Well, here it is.
Yeah, but...
They made 300 of these conversions.
Alright.
Well, not conversions, but boxes, you could say. This is number 49.
Yeah.
So, you'll be so exclusive. Family going out in an exclusive classic, practical. Oh, it's going to revolutionise your life, mate.
I've got to admit, mate, I did think it was just a 9,000, but
Welcome on board.
look at this.
You see on this side, mate, here you've got your little sink and you've got your gas cooker there on this side.
Yeah.
On the other side, you've got your little cooking area, and on the inside here, you swing around. You've got your wardrobe there. You've got this special cabinet-made box with the Saab cup holders at the side. Look at this.
Oh, that's smart.
You've got a Saab 9.5 bonnet catch or boot catch there.
Attention to detail, mate. Oh. That is absolutely mental.
And look how fresh it is inside. Clean and tidy. You got your skylight up there, your vent, and you got a double bed in the front, mate.
All right, hold that. All right.
You're gonna have to.
Now I know why you got the sleeping bag. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna see if I can get in there. Yeah. See if I can stand up in it. All right. Look at that. 6'2". No problem, mate. Check this out. It's mental. You get 2 in there easy.
Yeah, exactly.
All the lighting you got here. Look. There's lights here as well.
Yeah.
Both sides. Looks like it's got like 12-volt outlet there as well.
Yeah. So you charge your phone while you're sleeping.
Mental, mate.
It's perfect for you, isn't it?
Yeah, I could do this, mate. I could definitely do it.
It's the first ever sort of like
Saab I've ever liked. Oh, look at this as well. Look, we've got running water. Look.
you do a bit of cooking there, mate. Look at that.
And here there's a pump going as well for the water and that.
Got all your you've got everything in this except for a toilet
Yeah.
and a fridge, but you could easily put a
Yeah, you put a little fridge in there easily, couldn't you?
yeah, exactly.
Look at this. Look, there's a back seat, mate.
And look, you can be cooking, and the kids can sit in the back.
Yeah.
You can say like, Dad, I need a hamburger.
Just jump in the back while we're going, yeah?
Just pushing the hamburger through on the back seat, mate.
No, this is nice. I like this.
I think you need this in your
I
life,
definitely
mate.
need this, mate.
You need it. You need a classic car that's practical.
Who would have thought I'd have needed a Saab, man? Who would have thought that? Definitely need this one, mate.
You definitely need this one. This is rarer than rare.
This is the bollocks, mate. The bee's knees.
Gary goes camping. Perfect.
Yeah, I'm into this, definitely. Okay then, Sean, let's have a look, mate.
Okay, let's have a look at this. Classic old Saab flip front.
Yeah, I do like that actually.
It's perfect, isn't it? You get to the engine and everything. So there we got it. It's the non-turbo 2 litre 16 valve. Plenty of power in these, they go forever. And you can see just the condition wise, it's fantastic.
I mean, it's really, really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, this guy's a real enthusiast, so he's really kept it up to service plans, and he's just changed the radiator on it, so that's works. It's MOT'd or bisecting till sometime next summer.
Okay. So what does it need then, mate?
Needs a new owner. It needs a new owner that's good with cameras, looking for some outdoor adventures.
Yeah.
You've got to buy it, mate. You've got to buy it. Bid to win, mate. Bid to win.
So it's like COVID vaccine ready, yeah?
All it needs is a new owner and no restrictions, and then you're off.
Yeah, and you're off anywhere, aren't you? Really?
You're off for new adventures.
No, it's pretty smart.
Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very different.
In a good way. It's like whoever came up with this was a clever guy.
Exactly.
Or lady.
Yeah, exactly. But it's just something different. And I mean, these are reliable. You can buy all the parts. They run forever. This one's virtually rust-free. There's a small little bits, but for a Saab, it's in fantastic condition.
Yeah. Drives well, and you can sleep in it, no problem.
Exactly.
And cook your breakfast.
Exactly. Full English, no problem. I mean, you can drive this car with confidence. It's like, it's a car.
Yeah.
It's a Saab.
Yeah.
But I mean, it doesn't feel like you're now in like a big caravan house.
No, exactly.
Used to be a mobile home thing.
Yeah.
Driving, look at the people, they're looking, waving. They love it. They love it. It's cool, man.
It is, yeah.
It's cool. And once look at it.
I'll give you that. It's definitely right up there on the cool monitor.
Too cool for school. And now we're going to try something. My missus thinks this is a fantastic car.
Right.
So we're going to film a reaction about if she wants to buy it.
Really?
So we get 2 bidders then.
Oh God! See, the price is going up already, mate.
Exactly. Exactly.
Alltså,
Hello.
så jäkla roligt. Åh, jag dör.
So here's my Mrs. Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello.
Hello.
She likes going on road trips.
My goodness, this is
It's a Saab.
Toppola.
Perfect for our family adventures. Just look at this. Look at this. How practical it is in the back. Have a look in there.
It's so nice that you can actually speak to the driver while you're
Kids
While you're sleeping.
Kids in the back.
while you're sleeping. And
Room for 2 up top.
that's really cool. We should ask Oscar and Elliot to come out.
We've got the kitchen area here. Look, sink,
Yeah.
cooker, wardrobes on the side.
My goodness,
What do you
this
think,
is
eh?
fantastic. I don't know. There are no words really. There are no words good enough for this.
This is perfect.
Okay, what's the bid? What's your bid?
I'm not telling you now.
Okay.
It's going to be a competition for this baby.
Yeah, definitely. Sean, you better put something good in so we get it. It's a great, and it's very COVID safe as well. So it's a super good vacation tool, really, for
definitely.
this summer.
Definitely.
I think so.
Cheap to run, easy to fix.
For sure.
This is going to be a good auction.
So that's it for another show. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. The Bill Webb auction link you can find in the description, and don't forget to tune in next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.